Activision Blizzard shareholders approve $68.7 billion Microsoft deal. Video game publisher Activision Blizzard said that its shareholders approved Microsoft's $68.7 billion proposal to buy the Call of Duty maker. More than 98% of the shares voted at a special meeting held earlier in the day were in favor of the proposed transaction, the Santa Monica, California-based company said. Microsoft said in January it had agreed to acquire Activision Blizzard for $95 per share in the biggest gaming industry deal in history, as global technology giants stake their claims to a virtual future. Thanks for listening to Inkvine for quick and straight to the point news.